Lather, love lavishly. Song which we, Peter Derig and I, wrote together. Title is from Peter, and the rest gave the inspiration. Thank you, Peter. In a joy with good cheer, every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells, in a joy with good cheer, every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells. Every day we on our way and do what we got to do. You could do this, you could be, you could do that, you could be acting too. In a joy with good cheer every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells, in a joy with good cheer every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells. Life is a sunset, life is a sunrise, life can be paradise. Life is a mountain, life is a fountain, a bridge to feel rich inside. In a joy with good cheer, every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells, in a joy with good cheer every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells. Well, Peter said it's differently. He said, Lather, love lavishly, become a self-comedian with a laugh, a lot ingredient, and a joy with good cheer every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells, in a joy with good cheer every day of the year, and a wish for good health with good lives in her wells. I wish you all good health, good inner wells.